So, GoPro Hero 10 Black has introduced a new color profile called Neutral. Finally, after so many years, there is a new option to choose from because so far we could choose either a very colorful and contrasty GoPro color, which isn't very realistic, or flat profile, which was desaturated and required a little bit of color correction to it to look good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how these three color profiles look like so you can compare them and see what's the difference between them. Okay, so let's take a look at the footage. Okay, so as you just seen, neutral color profile is just by tiny little bit less saturated. It's especially visible in the sky, which is less colorful than the vibrant color. I also noticed that the sky is a little bit darker now, so perhaps there's gonna be some more details in there, so I think it's gonna be especially useful if you're recording during sunset. And honestly, I didn't see that much of a difference in other colors though, and according to GoPro, they are supposed to look a little bit more realistic, more like true-to-life colors. But for me personally, they almost look identical. And as far as the contrast is concerned, I also couldn't see that much of a difference, maybe it's slightly less, but once again it's barely noticeable. I think it's worth to mention that vibrant color profile is the old GoPro color, so now they just call it differently. Honestly guys, my personal favorite color profile always gonna be flat, because simply you have more details in the shadows and highlights, and the colors are not so strong. So in other words, it's simply easier to edit your footage in post-production. And I agree that in the beginning that footage might not look appealing because it's so desaturated, but if you want to have the best looking results, this is the way to go and I highly recommend it. Okay guys, so I really hope that this video helped you out deciding which color profile is good enough for you. Honestly, if you don't want to edit your videos, then I highly recommend you to use neutral profile, as it's simply gonna be easier for you to quickly post your video to social media. Anyway guys, if you like that content and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss all my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!